Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can simply assemble objects in Bambu Studio. So basically the first thing that you want to do is to just make sure that you are inside the objects option. And now if you try to assemble your object right here, it will actually fall down onto the plate, not allowing us to assemble the object itself. So in order to do this, just make sure that both of your objects are highlighted. Right click on it, click on merge, and right after it will then be put to the assembly mode. Now, the reason why we put it on the assembly mode is because when we try to go ahead and move our object, it will actually move as one. But if you click on the individual parts itself, we will be able to move it freely by clicking on the move function. And then from here, I could align it to wherever I want to. I can also resize it, and basically from there it will not fall onto the base plate itself. So let's just go ahead and adjust this a little bit better, and basically from there we have successfully assembled our object the way you want to. Now of course this is not perfect because I'm just actually doing this as fast as I can, but as you can see, that's how you assemble things in Bambu Studio. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.